Cheers. Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So today's video, I just wanted to share my thoughts about an issue which I've been struggling with for some time now, certainly for the best part of a year. Now, the property which I'm currently renovating on the estate which it sits on, there is currently no gas, it's electric only. And our local authority has teamed up with Cadent and they're using some government funding, and there is now a very attractive offer on the table for people who actually live on the estate. And for people who own the properties, people like myself, if you sign up for this scheme, then basically you can get a full gas central heating installation for free. Yeah, that's right, you can get it free. The cost to me will be nil pence, Zippo. And you know, the local authority and representatives were doing the rounds about a year ago, and I've got another letter, in fact I say that, it come through about a week ago, and I've been sitting on it really, and I just can't make a decision. So I thought, you know what they say, you know, problem shared is a problem halved, and I might be able to get some feedback from you ladies and gentlemen and share your thoughts and comments with me in the section below. So basically, at the moment then, the house is being renovated, so it's in a perfect position for a new installation. The advantages of the gas installation are the fact that, as I say, it's completely free of charge, and they also promise to make good any work which is necessary to fit the installation. So that's pretty nifty, isn't it? And also, gas is currently still cheaper than electricity. So does that as well. The other thing is the fact that if I decide to sell the property at some point in the future, if there is gas central heating, it might be a more attractive proposition to a potential buyer. It might be the thing that seals the deal. Who knows? But there are also some disadvantages as well. A major disadvantage is the disruption it will cause. I know there's work going to be carried out on the estate anyway. Trenches will have to be dug, you know, into the property in order for the installation to be fitted. Pipe work will need to be put in, the new boiler which will take the place of the current cylinder, which would actually be quite nice to get rid of that damn thing, but that's a slight aside. But there's going to be a hell of a lot of disruption, and the other thing is, because it's a wet system, you're going to have pipes everywhere, the floors are going to have to come up and all that good stuff. So there's going to be a hell of a lot of disruption. Whereas with the electricity, you're not going to see anything. You're not going to have pipes running here, there and everywhere. The house has already been rewired, and I've already bought some really nice modern programmable radiators, so I've already forked out £2,000 on those. I got a very good deal. They're still sitting in the boxes. I've had them for about a couple of years now, but as I say, they're fully programmable, you know, very, very good quality, got them at a bargain price, so I've already forked out the money. Although, to mitigate that, if I went for the gas central heating system, I could always sell them on eBay or Gumtree and get at least 50% of my money back. So there's that to think about. Yeah, I think the other thing is the fact that electricity is definitely more expensive at the moment. Now, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of emphasis on renewable energy, so electric is definitely the way forward, I think. I also know that in the next few years, less than a handful of years, all new homes will not have gas central heating. It's going to be something else. Things like cars, you know, diesel cars will come to an end and they're going to be replaced by electric. So we can see where this is going, can't we? The emphasis is certainly on using renewable energy sources and, you know, helping to get our carbon emissions, our carbon footprints, and basically trying to slow down the way we're destroying this planet. So quite apart from the fact that there's a sort of like a moral side to it as well, we've got all the other stuff, and I still can't make up my mind which way to turn really. Um, so yeah, I just wanted to articulate that really and see if I can get some feedback. I mean, look, is there anybody in the audience who has been in a similar situation? Is there anybody out there who is a plumbing engineer or heating engineer rather, sorry, or an electrician? Now, obviously, I understand that by seeking the opinion, say for example, of a heating engineer, they're going to be pushing the gas installation, aren't they? Because potentially, by not doing so, they may be harming their future career prospects or harming that industry. I mean, I don't know. I do know that most of the houses in the UK in built up areas, they've got gas central heating, so that sort of, source of business isn't going to dry up anytime soon, is it? So, yeah, what do you think? Is there anybody out there who currently has an electrical system? If you had the opportunity for a new, completely free gas central heating installation, given the upheaval, the mess, and everything else, would you go for it? I mean, nobody wants to give up on a free opportunity, do they? Nobody wants to turn down an opportunity for something free, especially when it's of considerable value, which is going to save you money, but which will also enhance the value of your property. Don't know, what do you think?